So in this video session we will discuss about the setting out of simple circular curves. In model 3 the next topic is setting out of simple curves. So in last video session we have discussed about relation between degree of curve and radius of curve, and also we have discussed the derivations to find out the elements of curves and the problems on that. So next we'll go through the setting out of simple circular curves. Setting out of a curve means locating the various points at equal or convenient distances. Setting out of curve means locating the various points at equal or convenient distances along the length of the curve. So to set out any curve or arc, we have to locate the various points on that curve of equal or convenient distances along with the length of curves. So that is what setting out the curve. The distance between any successive points is called as peg interval. The distance between any successive points is called as peg interval. The method of setting out simple curves mainly classified as linear methods and instrumental methods. So linear methods, the linear methods are conducted by using only chain or tape. So linear methods are used when the high degree of accuracy is not required or when the curve is short. So linear methods are used when the high degree of accuracy is not required or when the curve is short. So following are the some of the different methods to set out the setting out the simple curve by linear methods, and those are by offset or ordinates from the long chord, by perpendicular offset from tangents, radial offset from tangents, by successive bisection of arcs, and fifth one is by offset from chord produced or deflection distance methods. For your syllabus you have to study only two methods, that is by offset from long chord and offset from chord produced. So in next second method is instrumental method or angular methods. So in this method an instrument such as theodolite is used with or without chain or tape. So in this method you may use chain or tape, or you may not use chain or tape. So first we'll go through the offset from long chord. So here you can see the figure, radius, long chord, length of curve, this is the curve, mid-ordinate, subeck distance. Okay, here let R is the radius of curve, O0 is the mid-ordinate, OX is the ordinate at distance x from the midpoint of the chord. OX is the ordinate at distance x from the midpoint of the chord. Okay, and T1, T2 are the tangent points, and capital L is the length of long chord actually measured on the ground. This is the long chord, length of long chord actually measured on the ground. So we need to find out here O0. To set out the points on this length of curve, we need to find out the offset. So we are going to locate these offset from the long chord, that's why it is called as offset from long chord. So first is we'll calculate mid-ordinate, again we'll calculate OX, that is at any point, ordinate at any point on the curve. Okay, so first consider this triangle OT1D. Here apply Pythagoras theorem. OT1 square equal to T1D square plus DO square, correct? T1D square plus OD square. So OT1 is also denoted as R, that is radius. So R square equal to T1D can be written as L by 2 because this is the half of the long chord. So L by 2 square and plus OD square. OD square can be written as CO square minus CD square, correct? This is the OD square. OD can be written as CO minus CD as I have explained in last session, correct? So again this CO is the nothing but radius, correct? CO is nothing but radius, so put it as R, and CD is nothing but O0. CD is nothing but O naught mid ordinate. So write it as R square equal to L by 2 square plus R minus O naught whole square. So to find out O naught, interchange the notations. Okay, take this L by 2 square to LHS side. So R minus O naught square equal to R square minus L by 2 whole square. So again R minus O naught equal to root of R square minus L by 2 whole square. To find out O naught, again bring this value to LHS side. O naught equal to R minus root of R square minus L by 2 whole square. Okay, this is how you calculate the mid ordinate. Next, in order to calculate OX, at any point E, at any point on the curve, in order to calculate OX, ordinate OX to any point E, draw the line E dash. First we have to draw the line E dash from the distance which you are going to calculate the OX. Okay, so first draw the line E dash which is parallel to T1 T2 long chord, which is parallel to long chord T1 T2. So next join the EO, just join the O to get the point or to cut the long chord on the G here, to cut the long chord at G. Okay, next here OX is nothing but EF, correct, which is equal to E dash D. So OX equal to EF, which is equal to E dash D. Again OX equal to E dash O minus DO. How? Here OX equal to E dash O minus DO, right? E dash O minus DO, you will get this distance, right? So again apply here Pythagoras theorem, you will get the value root of EO square minus E dash square, that is EO square minus E dash square minus CO minus CD. Here CO minus CD, you will get this value, correct? DO is nothing but CO minus CD, correct? So again OX is root of R square minus X square minus R minus O naught. EO is nothing but R. Here EO is nothing but R. Again X is nothing but E dash is nothing but X. So put X square, and here CO is the R and CD is the O naught. Okay, so CO is the R and CD is the O naught. So OX equal to, you will get root of R square minus X square minus R minus O naught. So we will discuss one problem on this. Set out the simple curve by ordinate from long chord. Take the length of long chord as 80 meter, ordinates at the peg intervals of 10 meter and verse sine of 4 meter. Okay, so first write the given, that is a length of long chord is 80 meter. Next ordinates, that is peg interval, is given at 10 meter. You have to find out the offset at 10 meter peg interval. Verse sine of 4 meter. Verse sine is nothing but mid ordinate, as I explained in a previous classes. Okay, so here they have given the length of mid ordinate, but they didn't give the R, value of R, radius. So apply the formula O naught equal to R minus root of R square minus L by 2 whole square. You know here R, O naught value 4 and L, that is long chord 80 meter. So put the values. Okay, and next you will get R minus 4 equal to root of R square minus 80 by 2 whole square. So minus 4 is nothing but, bring this value on this side. Okay, so R minus 4 whole square, R square minus 40 square, that is bring this root to here, it will become square. So apply A minus B whole square formula, R square plus 4 square minus 2 into R into 4, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB, correct? Again 40 square is 1600, R square plus 4 into 4 16 minus 8R, R square equal to R square minus 1600, that is 40 square. So R square get cancelled. Again bring this 8R to RHS side and minus 1600 to LHS side. So 8R equal to 1600 plus 16, 8R equal to 1616. So R equal to 1616 by 8. So you will get R equal to 202 meter. that is radius value. So next find out the ordinates, these at peg interval from the long chord. So here they have given the peg interval on the long chord, 30 meter, 20 meter, 10 meter, again 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, right? So from these points you have to find out the point on this curve, length of curve. Okay, so first what is the formula of OX? OX equal to root of r square minus x square minus into bracket r minus O naught. Okay, this root is only here up to x square, not up to here, only up to x square. So put the values. R value is 202. X is the first peg interval which you want to find out. So first we will consider the at 10 meter interval, offset at 10 meter interval. So 202 minus 10 square minus 202, O naught is nothing but was sign that is given 4 meter. So calculate the values, you will get O10 equal to 3.752 meter. Again same way calculate O20. Only this value will remain same, only the x value will change, the value of x will change. For the 20 meter peg interval, x value is 20. For 30 meter peg interval, x value will be 30. For 40 meter peg interval, x value will be 40, right? So again for what will you do here? For O20, root of 202 square minus 20 square minus into bracket 202 minus 4, you will get 3.007 meter. Same for O30, 202 square minus 30 square minus 202.4, right? So put the values here, x values, you will get all the peg interval values. Okay, at the end you should get here 0, where the curve starts and curve ends. So O80 equal to 0 meter. Okay, this is about offset from long chord. In next class we will discuss the setting out of simple curve from offset from chord produced.